At Garnet Health Medical Center Catskills, care goes beyond clinical treatment. It's compassion, it's comfort, it's the small moments that make a big difference. We're on a mission to improve the health of our community by providing exceptional health care.
We treat the patient as a whole, not just dealing with their clinical needs, but their emotional needs as well. The Patient Experience Fund helps patients and families receive comfort items from us to make them feel like they're at home, happier, healthier, and part of our family.
We can invest in equipment and resources that really ease anxiety, improve comfort, and really support the healing environment for our patients and families. It might be as simple as a warm blanket, a warm meal, or the child that requires a simple toy to occupy themselves. These moments matter and make healing a nicer, warmer, and enjoyable experience.
We are really blessed to have Garnet Health Medical Center Catskills right here in our backyard. From the skilled professionals really to everyone involved. They take a tough situation of being sick or being injured and really turn it into a pleasant experience. Compassion, empathy, understanding. It's right here.
The Patient Experience Fund allows us to continue delivering care that reflects the compassion of our community. Your support helps us bring comfort, dignity, and compassion to every patient that walks through our doors. Together, we're driving what better looks and feels like. Join us in making a difference.